Assalamu alaikum students, welcome back to your English class. In the previous class, we solved Learn to Read To and Learn Words of Amin and the Eggs. Today, we will start off with Learn Grammar. Please open your books to page number 15. Look at these sentences from the story. Pay back the debt you owe me, he said. Give me 500 silver coins for the eggs you bought. In the sentences above, the verb forms pay and give are called imperatives. The imperative does not usually have a subject, but we can use a noun or pronoun to make it clear who we are speaking to. Amin, pay back the debt you owe me, he said. Come here, everybody. Sit down, children. We use imperatives to tell people what to do, to make suggestions, or to give instructions. Example, to tell people what to do. Stop talking. To make suggestions. Try to speak clearly. To give instructions. Fold the paper twice. Imperatives basically उन verbs को कहते हैं जो किसी को order दें. उनको बताएं कि उनको क्या करना है. For example, stop talking, stop eating, stop playing. इन सब sentences में कौन सा verb command दे रहा है? Stop. Stop tells you कि आप रुक जाएं, which is an order. Imperatives suggestions देने के लिए भी use होते हैं. For example, try to speak clearly, try to write neatly, try to keep your room clean. इन सब में imperative try है क्योंकि this word is used to give suggestions. Imperatives instructions देने के लिए भी use होते हैं. For example, open the door, fold the paper twice, close your books. ये सब sentences आपको instructions दे रहे हैं. इनमें जो verb use हो रहा है that is an imperative. Now look at exercise A. Here are some sentences. The words are jumbled. Put them in order. Remember, the verb comes first. Don't forget the full stop at the end of the sentence. One has been done for you. इस एक्सरसाइज में आपको सेंटेंसेस जंबल करके दिए गए हैं. आपने उनको असेंबल करके उनके सामने लिखना है. याद रखिएगा कि आपका वर्ब सेंटेंस के शुरू में होना चाहिए और आखिर में फुल स्टॉप लगाना ना भूलिएगा. Open your English notebooks and write today's date and day. Write the page number in the next line. You will do this for all the pages that you work on. Then, in the center of the next line, write Learn Grammar. Write exercise A in the next line. Then leave a line and write the first sentence. Talking once, stop at, and draw a blank line. Be sure to number your sentences. इस सेंटेंस में आप देख सकते हैं कि ये जंबल हुआ हुआ है जिसकी वजह से इसका कोई मतलब नहीं बन रहा. तो हमें इसको असेंबल करने के लिए सबसे पहले इस सेंटेंस का वर्ब ढूंढना होगा. Students, what do you think the verb is in this sentence? You're right, it's stop. इसके बाद हम वर्ब को शुरू में रख के अपना सेंटेंस फॉर्म कर लेंगे. The sentence talking once, stop at will become stop talking at once. इसी तरह आपने बाकी के 5 जंबल सेंटेंसेस को असेंबल करके अपनी नोटबुक में लिख देना है. Let's look at the sentences. The on table, pen the put. The verb in this sentence is put. The sentence will become put the pen on the table. Page 21 into your turn book. The verb is turn. The correct sentence will be turn to page 21 in your notebook. Books brown with cover your paper. The verb is cover. The sentence will become cover your books with brown paper. A line draw long. The verb is draw. The assembled sentence will be draw a long line. After words repeat me, the. The verb is repeat. The correct sentence will be repeat the words after me. Now let's look at exercise B. What would your teacher or your parents say to you if you did the following? इस एक्सरसाइज में आपने बताना है कि अगर आप इनमें से कोई काम करेंगे तो आपके पेरेंट्स या टीचर्स आपको क्या कहेंगे. On a fresh page, give the heading of exercise B, and in the next line, write the first sentence. You read comics in class and draw a blank line. In the blank, you have to write what your parents or teachers would say if you read comics in class. What do you think that will be? That's right, they will say, don't read comics in class. इसी तरह आपने सारे sentences का जवाब उनके सामने लिखना है. Let's take a look at the rest of the sentences. You make a lot of noise. Your parents and teachers will say, don't make a lot of noise. You don't do your homework. That's right, your parents will say, do your homework. You don't listen to your mother. Your parents and teachers will say, listen to your mother. You scribble on the walls. Exactly, your parents will say, don't scribble on the walls. You don't eat your breakfast. Your parents will say, eat your breakfast. You throw rubbish on the floor. Your parents and teachers will say, don't throw rubbish on the floor. You tease your little brother. That's right, your parents will say, don't tease your brother. You chew gum in class. Your teachers will say, don't chew gum in class. Look at exercise C. Punctuate the following sentences. Use capital letters, full stops and commas. इस एक्सरसाइज में आपने हर सेंटेंस में अप्रोप्रिएट जगह पे पंक्चुएशन मार्क्स लगाने हैं, कैपिटल लेटर्स, full stops and commas. Now in your notebooks, give the heading of exercise C. In the next line, write the first sentence. At Asma's party, we had cake, biscuits, chips, samosas, sandwiches, jalebis and juices. And below this, draw a long blank. In the blank, you have to add all the punctuation marks in the existing sentence. I will help you with the first one. In this sentence, we will change the letters of the words at and Asma's from small to capital, because with every word at the start of the sentence and proper nouns, capital letters are compulsory. Also, we will add commas after cake, biscuits, chips, samosas and sandwiches because these are multiple things and between them the commas are necessary. जो वर्ड सेंटेंस के बिगनिंग में आता है उसका फर्स्ट लेटर हमेशा कैपिटल होता है. उसके साथ प्रॉपर नाउन्स का भी फर्स्ट लेटर हमेशा कैपिटल होता है. जब हम कोई लिस्ट बनाते हैं जिसमें एक जैसी चीज़ें होती हैं तो हम उन चीज़ों को सेपरेट करने के लिए कॉमास यूज़ करते हैं. इसी तरह आपने बाकी सेंटेंसेस में भी पंक्चुएशन मार्क्स ऐड करने हैं. Let's take a look at the rest of the sentences. For breakfast, you can have puri and potatoes, yogurt and paratha, or bread and eggs. Add punctuation marks and this sentence will become, for breakfast, you can have puri and potato, yogurt and paratha, or bread and eggs. We have added one capital letter, one comma, and one full stop. When you go shopping, please get me a kilo of sugar, some tomatoes, and a packet of chips. After adding the punctuation marks, the sentence becomes, when you go shopping, please get me a kilo of sugar, some tomatoes, and a packet of chips. In this sentence, we added one capital letter, two commas, and a full stop. Nida's father went on a business trip to Multan, Lahore, Islamabad, and Rawalpindi. After the punctuation marks, this sentence will transform into, Nida's father went on a business trip to Multan, Lahore, Islamabad, and Rawalpindi. In this sentence, we added four capital letters, two commas, and one full stop. She went to the bookshop and bought some pencils, notebooks, erasers, and greeting cards. This sentence will become, she went to the bookshop and bought some pencils, notebooks, erasers, and greeting cards. In this sentence, we added one capital letter, two commas, and a full stop. Now look at the Learn Spelling section on page number 17. Words with IE and EI. Is it IE or EI? The following rule will help you. I before E except after C, but only when the sound is that of a long E. Thief, believe, long E sound. Receive, ceiling, after C. Foreign, no long E sound. इस एक्सरसाइज में आपको चंद अल्फाज दिए गए हैं। हर लफ्ज़ की स्पेलिंग में या तो ई आई यूज़ होता है या आई ई। आपको हर लफ्ज़ की हिंट भी दी गई है। आपने ये एक्सरसाइज अपनी नोटबुक में भी करनी है। Students, in your notebooks on a new line, write the heading Learn Spelling in the center. Then leave a line and give the subheading Fill in the blanks with EI or IE. Now let's look at the first word. The hint for this word is the person lives next door. This means that the word is neighbor. So in the word neighbor, do you think we should add IE or EI after N? You're right, it's EI. Fill the two missing blanks with E and I. Neighbor को उर्दू में पड़ोसी कहते हैं. The hint for the second word is he fights for our country. This must mean that the word is soldier. We always use IE in soldier, so fill the two blanks with I and E. Soldier को उर्दू में सिपाही कहते हैं. The hint for the third word is one of your school subjects. The word must be साइंस. साइंस में IE आता है या EI आता है? Science is always spelled with IE. So put an I in the first blank and E in the second. The hint for the next word is I am 1.5 meters tall. My dash is 1.5 meter. The word is height. Put E in the first blank and I in the second. The hint for the last word is he's the leader of the group. The word had to be chief. We always use IE to spell chief. Put I and E in the two blanks respectively. Good job, students. You have just completed the Learn Spelling part. Let's start with Learn Pronunciation. In each line, circle the word that has a different first sound. Then practice saying the words aloud. Example, cave, carpet, cement. Only cement begins with an S sound. The other words begin with a K sound. इस एक्सरसाइज में आपको 5 मरतबा 3 अल्फाज दिए गए हैं. आपने इन तीनों में से सिर्फ उस वर्ड को सर्कल करना है जो बाकी दोनों की तरह साउंड नहीं करते हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, केव, कारपेट और सीमेंट में केव का साउंड इज क, कारपेट का साउंड इज क, सीमेंट का साउंड इज स. तो इसमें सबसे मुख्तलिफ सीमेंट का साउंड है, इसलिए हमने इसके अराउंड एक सर्कल ड्रॉ कर दिया है. आप सब ये वर्ड्स मेरे साथ आउट लाउड पढ़ें. लेट्स लुक एट द फर्स्ट वन. सोप, शुगर, सैंड. सोप में स का साउंड आता है, शुगर में श का साउंड आता है और सैंड में स का साउंड आता है. तो इन तीनों में से सबसे ज़्यादा डिफरेंट कौन सा है? यस, यूर राइट, शुगर है, इसलिए हम शुगर के अराउंड एक सर्कल ड्रॉ कर देंगे. Now let's look at the others. Card, center, cake. Again, card का sound is k, center का sound is s, cake का sound is k. तो सबसे different कौन सा हुआ? Center. अब हमने center को भी encircle कर दिया है. Now the third one. Gate, gift, gentle. Gate का फर्स्ट साउंड इज ग, गिफ्ट का फर्स्ट साउंड इज ग, लेकिन जेंटल का फर्स्ट साउंड इज ज. तो सबसे डिफरेंट जेंटल है. द फोर्थ वन. चाइल्ड, chalk, Christmas. चाइल्ड में च का साउंड आता है, चॉक में च का साउंड आता है, और क्रिसमस में क का साउंड आता है. So which word will be in circle? Christmas. The fifth one, this, thick, thin. इसमें सबसे डिफरेंट किसका साउंड है? This का. Now we're done with this exercise, so let's start with the next one. Learn to write. Look at the animals on page 15. Choose any one and write 5 sentences about it. The following questions will help you. What does it look like? Where is it found? What does it eat? How is it useful to people? You can start like this. The dash is a dash animal. It has dash. क्लास, आपको याद होगा कि हमने लर्न वर्ड्स वाली एक्सरसाइज में 5 एनिमल्स के बारे में पढ़ा था. आपने वापस पेज 15 पे जाके इनमें से किसी एक एनिमल पे 5 सेंटेंसेस बनाने हैं. As an example, I will form 5 sentences of 2 of the animals for you. ओके, आपने अपनी ये एक्सरसाइज अपनी नोटबुक्स में करनी है और मैं आपको 2 एनिमल्स की एग्जांपल दे रही हूँ, लेकिन आपने सिर्फ 1 के बारे में लिखना है. प्रेफरेबली स्टूडेंट्स, आप अपनी क्रिएटिविटी यूज़ करें और अपने खुद के सेंटेंसेस फ्रेम करें. नाउ लेट्स लुक एट द फर्स्ट वन. द फर्स्ट एनिमल दैट आई विल बी गिविंग यू द एग्जांपल ऑफ इज़ एन एलिफेंट. The elephant has a huge trunk and big ears. Elephants can be found in many countries. The elephant eats grass and fruits. Elephants use their trunks to dig for water. Elephants are mammals. अब second animal को देखते हैं, which is a horse. The horse runs in races. Horse is the national animal of Canada. The horse eats grass. Horses are a great mode of transport. The horse is a mammal. Students, you can choose any animal you like and form 5 sentences based on them using your own knowledge. You can also ask your parents for help. Learn to speak. Work in pairs. Tell your partner how to do something. Example, how to serve biscuits to a visitor. Take a plate, open a packet of biscuits, put the biscuits neatly on the plate, put the plate on a tray, offer the biscuits to the visitor. Here are some things you can talk about if you can't think of anything on your own. How to make a jam sandwich, how to change the refill in your pen, how to pack your school bag, how to put on your school uniform. ये एक्सरसाइज आपने क्लास में किसी दोस्त के साथ करनी थी, लेकिन क्योंकि अभी आप ये नहीं कर सकते हैं टू डू दिस एक्सरसाइज विद योर मॉम, डैड और सिबलिंग, आपने उनको इंग्लिश में इंस्ट्रक्शंस देने हैं अबाउट हाउ टू डू समथिंग. कुछ सैम्पल टॉपिक्स भी आपको दिए गए हैं. यू कैन ऑल्सो कम अप विद समथिंग ऑफ योर ओन, बट मेक श्योर दैट द इंस्ट्रक्शंस आर गिवन इन इंग्लिश. लर्न टू लिसन. योर टीचर विल रीड आउट द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस टू यू. शी विल से वन ऑफ द वर्ड्स इन italics. In each case, listen and tick the word she says. She will repeat each sentence. Now students, on a new line, give the heading of Learn to Listen in the center. Then leave a line and give the subheading of Circle the correct word. इस एक्सरसाइज में आपने पेज 19 से देके 8 sentences अपनी नोटबुक में उसी तरह लिखने हैं. Pause the video until you complete your sentences. Now that you have written down the sentences, listen to my words carefully and circle the correct word in each case. The first sentence is, they could not repair the dent. If you listened carefully, you would know that I said dent. The next sentence is, Farah drew a ship in her book. In this sentence, I used the word ship. The third sentence is, there is a black goat under the tree. Which word do you think I said in this sentence? You're right, I said goat. The fourth sentence is, can you give me the bill, please? In this sentence, I use the word bill. Please encircle it. The next sentence is, Can you fill the jug under the table? I used fill in this sentence. The sixth sentence is, I will dry the shirt. You can clearly hear that I said dry in this sentence. Circle it. The next sentence is, take the glass with you when you go out. In this sentence, I used the word glass. The last sentence is, there are two birds on the branch. Circle the word you think I said in this sentence. You're right, I said birds. And with this, we come to the end of today's lecture and the chapter Amin and the Eggs. Hope you all understood everything. If you have any doubts or questions, you can mention them in the comment section. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.